Action. Hello baby. Ngayong araw malalaman namin yung gender mo.
Kahit anong gender mo, as long as healthy ka, walang any defect, abnormalities, or basta healthy, normal, masaya ka sa family, umami, happy din ako. So, kahit boy or girl,
Hello baby. Ang message ko sa'yo sana normal ka paglabas, healthy, maging masayain at malusugin ka bata paglabas mo. Yun lang, masaya na kami.
based sa, sa tsura ko ngayon, tingin ko lalaki. Talaga.
I'm your daddy. I think you're a girl. Dito na yung gender mo.
Ang tingin ko ka.
Nakapikit pa ako. 1, 2, 3.
I'm your lolo.
I'm your Lola.
I think you are a girl.
Girl. This is your mama lang. Thank you. Boy. Boy naman sana kasi for girl na. Hi, I'm your tita. I think you're a girl.
Yes, hi baby, I'm your Tita Dandan and I think you're a boy kasi pagod na akong magbantay ng mga babae. Gusto ko na lang.
Hello, I'm your tito. I think you are a girl.
In mo girl or boy?
Girl. Ano ang baby ni Ate Charisse? Boy or girl?
Boy.
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 Isip ko na sana maging tao ang baby mo. Okay?
I'm your Tito Betong, and I'm think you're a good boy.
Hello baby, I'm your Tita Bea and I think na boy ka. Sana boy kasi
Hi baby, ako yung tita mo si Tita Hana. Sana nga rin boy ka kasi gusto ko na rin magka-boy sa pamilyang ito.
Aubrey, what do you want? Do you want boy?
No.
No, what do you want? Girl? Do you want girl?
I'm your tita and I think you're a girl.
Hi baby, I think you're a boy.
Oh baby, I think you are.
Wow!
I am your ate, you think ate.
Baby girl ka, baby!